Hey everyone, how are you guys today? I'm here to show you a product that I absolutely love. I use them all the time with my sewing projects, and I figured I will give you guys one of my favorite things. And one of the reasons why I'm doing it is because when I bought mine, this is what it is, and this is how I got it in the mail. It was this cute tin. They had different kinds of tins you can choose from. When I bought mine, originally it was almost 20 bucks. But I noticed that when I was shopping through Amazon today, they had it on sale for $7.22 and free shipping. Now, when I got mine, I didn't have free shipping, but mind you, if you have Amazon Prime, you can have free shipping choices. But when I got mine, like I said, I paid $20 for this, and I'll show you what's inside. It's really, really cool. And I use them all the time. And I didn't want you guys to miss out on a great deal. $7.22, and there's 100 of them in there. These are called sewing clips, or you know, they clip on and they hold your fabrics together. I know when I was at Walmart, I think you get like 20 of them for like $8 or $9, and I was shopping along Amazon, which who doesn't, right? And it's so much better, and I love their products, and I love their shipping options, and they give you free shipping, especially Amazon Prime. And you get 100 of them for, like I said, right now they're on sale for $7.22. And what they do, which I'll show you here in a minute, but isn't that tin adorable? And the tin comes with it. Like I said, free shipping is a great price, and I barely got through half of them because usually I use a handful of them. I figured I'd share with you guys, especially since you guys in the junk journal world, you need clips for your papers as well, and it's perfect. Like right now, this is a project I've been working on, which is, I'll give you a sneak peek, but I won't say what it is yet, but eventually I'll show you. But what I do is, to keep my fabrics together before I sew them, I clip these clips. You know, they open right here. I'm sorry if I can show you close up here. And they open like they're like little clips, almost like hair clips kind of thing. They clip right onto that fabric or paper, and it keeps it together. Better than using needles. A lot of times I don't use needles. I use these clips kind of thing, as you can see there, especially when I hand stitch the binding of my quilts and stuff like that. So what I do on any of my projects, I get them all ready and prepared to go, and I clip. So then this is my basket. I keep this cute basket here. What is the next thing I put through my sew machine kind of thing? I just grab what I have, it's already clipped, and sew and go to the next thing kind of thing. And so like this here needs to be clipped a few more times. And what's really cool about these clips too, I don't know if I can show you here on the camera, it has one flat side, oops, get in frame, and it has a curved side. Fabric I definitely use. When I clip it, I use the rounded side. But paper, watch this. Let me get a piece of paper and fold it for you guys a few times. See if you're going to sew on top of your paper kind of thing. I got paper here. I just kind of like folded it. Paper, if you take this clip and you put it right there, look how when you put it on there, it's flat and see-through. I love these clips that they're see-through, especially when I sew. I can kind of see where my fabric ends and begins. If I raise it, it's see-through and I can see. Also on these cool clips, I don't know if I can show you. If I can go a little slower, maybe I will. They have different lines on here. What is 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 of an inch? So I do know too, when I'm ready to sew, when I turn my binding over, I know not to go further than that clip right there. Same thing with your sewing stitches on your paper. If you don't want your stitches to go further than a certain point, at least it has some measuring lines on here for you, and it shows you how far that would be, which I absolutely love that. That is 1/4 of an inch right there. Loving it. So I love the fact how it clips those paper or fabric down. And hey, 100 of them for $7.22, free shipping. You can't go wrong. Especially the cool thing about Amazon is that free returns. So if you don't like them, which I guarantee you will like them, they're one of my favorite things. And you get a cool tin. Even if you don't use them to store them in, I do. I just kind of put it in my basket and I go kind of thing. I grab my bag, my basket kind of thing, and it's ready to go. It's awesome, especially if you're gluing your papers and stuff and you need some kind of clip. This is awesome. And it's plastic, so they are washable. So you just take them through and soap and water if you get glue on them kind of a thing. I hope I'm not shoving it in your face. But yeah, and you just kind of clamp it down wherever the glue's at kind of thing. You can do them closer, you know, and then undo them and wash them up kind of thing. I hope that was helpful. I was thinking about you guys the other day when I was doing my project, and I thought, well, I betcha the junk journal world would love to see these clips. So there you have it. I absolutely love this product. I hope I shared you guys something that you will like. Now, if you do want to get a box, I think that sells good today. I don't think I've never seen it so low for $7.22. Like I said, I paid 20 bucks, almost 20 bucks for mine. But $7.22, I've already bought 2 more boxes. It must sound crazy, but I go through them like crazy. I haven't broken any of them, but hey, maybe I can put a box just for like the junk journal, like work that I do when I do any type of sewing, or I'm going to do a box just for my sewing. But the link, I'll have it down below if you want to grab your pack today. And I hope you do, because I absolutely think you're going to love these, and I can't wait to hear what you guys feel when you get your pack. Please comment down below when you do get yours. I love to hear how you guys feel. And in fact, I would love to see someone do a video using them. I mean, maybe I taught you guys something new today. So get your pack today. Like I said, $7.22. I don't sell them. It's an Amazon thing. Grab your pack while you can. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.